What did you say?
Hi, I'm so tired.
You like flowers? You like waterfalls? You just don't want to fall in there.
Yeah. Now we're here. There. That's for you.
Oh.